Hey guys, it's Brittany Winery with the Wolek Group at Keller Realty. I am out here in Owasso today at this fabulous new listing. Let's take a walking tour. So if you are familiar with Owasso, then you have probably heard of Stone Canyon. This neighborhood is Rockford Place. It's just a very short drive away from Stone Canyon. So this listing is a single-story home, absolutely beautiful, full brick, sits on a gorgeous half-acre lot, 3-car garage, and this beautiful front patio and garden space. So let's head on inside and check out the floor plan. So as we come inside, you're going to see these gorgeous hardwood floors and this nice, great big entry. So pretty. And then as we come in, so it's a split floor plan, and over here on the left, we have what could be a formal dining room with crown molding, or it could be an office. So right here, there actually used to be doors, and they still have the doors available. So it could really be utilized as either or. And as we turn around here, we're going to go down the first hallway here, which has the guest bedrooms. This entire home has 36-inch hallways throughout, so you're going to notice it's very spacious and very open. So first guest bedroom. Every bedroom is oversized and has this fabulous carpet. So pretty. Really great big walk-in closets, lots of space for storage. Really, really awesome. Of course, closet with lots of storage. And guest bathroom. Very neutral and clean and pretty and move-in ready. Another great closet for storage. And then another guest bedroom. So this is being utilized as an office / piano room / bedroom. And as you can see, this room is massive. There is so much space for all the things. And another great big, ginormous walk-in closet. So as we come in here to the main living area, it is very open with crown molding throughout. You have access to the kitchen and dining nook space. Again, those hardwood floors are carried throughout that main hallway. And off this main hallway, you have access to that formal dining or office space. So as we come in here, you're going to see this gorgeous kitchen, crown molding, really beautiful cabinetry, and of course upgraded appliances. Beautiful nook space, lots of room for a nice big table, and lots of natural light. Then let's come in here and check out the laundry room and the master bedroom, which has a surprise. So here's the laundry room, nice and spacious. Door to the garage, it's a 3-car garage. And then the master bedroom. So this master bedroom is the biggest of them all, if that's even possible. It is so big. This wonderful carpet, lots of natural light, room for lots of different furniture pieces. And then this really clean, beautiful, neutral bathroom. And again, windows, separate shower and jetted tub, and separate bathroom. And then we have this amazing closet. And so this closet is actually a storm shelter and tornado shelter. So you have that built in to this wall. and it is amazing. So lots of space and storage for clothing, and of course you have that dual purpose of it being a storm shelter and tornado shelter, which in Oklahoma is very smart to have. And let's go take a sneak peek of the backyard. They have a really great shed out there that actually matches the home to store lawnmower equipment, yard stuff. And of course the half-acre lot is really, really beautiful. So of course we got this great big patio, covered patio for grilling and outdoor entertainment. And then we have this phenomenal backyard space. So big and honestly ready for a pool, trampoline, anything that your heart desires. So for more info about this great property, contact the Wolek Group.